Hi, I'm Kelly, and I have a few words to say about why I have been AWOL here on YouTube. 3 months ago, I walked out on my marriage, and the actual walking out part was sudden, and since then I've just been scrambling. It's been hard. It's been hard in, as I say, in a practical sense. It's also been very hard in the fact that when I walked out, I actually left my art studio. I left my workspace, my materials, supplies, and tools that I use for making and creating. I also left behind the equipment that I use for filming, and so that means things like tutorials here on YouTube and videos for online classes. I can't do any of those things. Can't do any of those things until I rebuild. In fact, it means that right now I'm filming by talking into my phone, which is on a stack of books in front of a coffee cup. Why not? I am keeping a sketchbook because I did come away with my portable art kit. I should never go anywhere without one. But my ability to make and create is just been really curtailed, and it's frustrating. I am blessed with a very strong support system, and that includes a lot of you who have reached out in the last few weeks, and I am more grateful than I can say. I'm touched and I'm moved, and know that you have been a lifeline to that creative world that I have had to put on pause for a while. So thank you. I am going forward. I'm going to rebuild. It's going to take some time. But I bought gesso this week. I bought some gesso. So, baby steps. Thank you. I thank you for your patience, and I will be back as soon as I can. I have ideas. I'm also going to use this time to do a kind of a freeform newsletter that I will be posting on, for now, on Ko-fi. I might move it to Substack, we'll see. But if you'd like to follow that newsletter come diary, and even though it's a newsletter come diary, you best believe there will be lots of stories about paper. If you'd like to get that, all you have to do is follow me. It's free. The link to the page is in the text box below this video, and it will be in the first pinned comment. And if you follow there, then when I do post, you'll get a notification in your email inbox to let you know, and be sure and check spam because it goes there a lot. Thank you. And now, get up and go make something. Do it for me because I can't really do it now. And do it because it matters. You. Yes, you. We got this. In the meantime, happy making.